Dear fellow citizens of the world, we stand at a critical juncture in human history. We face challenges on multiple fronts, from the devastating impacts of war and conflict to the growing economic inequality that threatens the stability of our societies. The very ecosystem that sustains us is under attack, as we continue to exploit and destroy the natural world. And at the root of it all, corruption and exploitation run rampant, as those in power put their own interests ahead of the common good. But despite these daunting challenges, I stand before you today with a message of hope. For I believe that we have the power to create a better future, a future in which all people can live in peace, security, and prosperity. And that future begins with the formation of the World Federation. Imagine a world where every person has an equal voice and an equal say in the decisions that impact their lives. A world where cooperation, not conflict, is the norm. A world where the economy works for the benefit of all, not just the privileged few. And a world where the natural world is protected and respected, so that future generations can inherit a healthy planet. This is the world that the World Federation promises to create. And to make this vision a reality, we must come together as a global community, setting aside our differences and working towards a common goal. I know that change is not easy. It requires a willingness to sacrifice, to listen, and to compromise. But the alternative is simply too dire to ignore. If we do nothing, the consequences will be catastrophic. The wars will continue, the rich will get richer, and the planet will suffer. So I implore you, join me in this movement. Let us work together to create a world that is just, equitable, and sustainable. Let us write the next chapter of human history together as one united people. Sincerely, another citizen of the world.